Shri Sai Satcharita, Chapter 33, Part 4. Now we return to Appa Sahib's story. While he was in Thana, he had to go on tour to Bhiwandi and was expected to return after a week. In his absence, the following wonderful thing took place on the third day. At noon, a fakir turned up at Appa Sahib's house. His features resembled exactly those of Baba's photo. Mrs. Kulkarni and the children all asked him whether he was Sai Baba of Shirdi. He said no, but that he was an obedient servant of his and came there at his order to inquire after the well-being of the family. Then he asked for dakshina. The lady gave him a rupee. He gave her a small packet of odi and asked her to keep this in the shrine. Then he left the house and went away. Now hear the wonderful Leela of Sai. Appa Sahib could not proceed with his tour, as his horse fell sick at Bhiwandi. He returned home that afternoon and learned from his wife about Fakir's visit. He got very restless as he did not have the darshan of the fakir. Moreover, he did not like that only 1 rupee was paid to him as dakshina. He said that he had been present, he would have paid not less than 10 rupees. Then he immediately started in quest of the fakir and searched for him in the masjid and other places without taking any food. His search was in vain. He then returned to home and took his food. The readers may remember here Baba's dictum in chapter 32 that God's quest should not be made on an empty belly. Then, after his meal, he went out for a walk with a friend, Mr. Chitre. After going some distance, they saw a man approaching them rapidly. Appa Sahib thought that he might be the fakir that come to his house at noon, as his features tallied with those of Baba in the photo. The fakir immediately put forth his hand and asked for dakshina. Appa Sahib gave him a rupee. He demanded again and again, and so Appa Sahib gave him two more. Still, he was not satisfied. Then he borrowed rupees 3 from Mr. Chitre and gave them to him. He wanted still more. Appa Sahib asked him to accompany him to his home. Then they all returned home and Appa Sahib gave him 3 rupees, in all 9. He looked unsatisfied and demanded again. Then Appa Sahib told him that he had a currency note of rupees 10. The fakir asked for the same, took it and returned the 9 rupees and went away. Appa Sahib had earlier said that he would pay 10 rupees and that some was taken from him, and 9 rupees consecrated from Baba's touch were returned to him. The figure 9 is significant. It denotes the 9 types of devotion by chapter 21. It may also be noted here that Baba gave 9 coins to one Lakshmi Bai Shinde in his last moment. Appa Sahib examined the udi packet and found that it contained some flowers, leaves, and akshat. Then, some time afterwards, he got a hair from Baba when he saw him at Shirdi. He put the udi packet and the hair in a tabiz and wore it always on his arm. Appa Sahib realized the power of the udi. Though he was very efficient, he got rupees 40 as pay in the beginning, but after he secured Baba's photo and his udi, he got many times more and also got much power and influence. And along with this temporal benefits, his spiritual progress was also rapid. So, those who are fortunate enough to get Baba's udi should, after bath, apply it on the forehead and take some of it mixed with water as holy teeth. Haribhav Karnik. In 1917, Haribhav Karnik of Dahanu, Thana district, came to Shirdi on the Guru Purnima day in the month of Asad and worshipped Baba with all formalities. He offered clothes and dakshina, and after taking Baba's leave, got down the steps of the masjid. Then he thought that he should offer one more rupee to Baba and was just turning to climb up again when Shama signaled him by gesture that as he had got Baba's leave, he should go and not return. So he started for home. On his way, when he went to the temple of Kalaram at Nasik for darshan, the saint Narsingh Maharaj, who used to sit inside the temple, came to Haribhau, caught him by his wrist and said, "Give me my 1 rupee." Karnik was surprised. He paid the rupee most willingly and thought that Sai Baba recovered the rupee which he intended in his mind to give through Saint Narsingh Maharaj. This story illustrates the fact that all saints are one and illustrates how they work in unison. Go to Sri Sai, peace be to all. Thank you.